Hello everyone, I'm Edward, and I'm about to take you to a tour at the Mainland Railway Show. The first stop. Best decorated engine. Hello Edward, I see you brought the YouTubers here. Yes, I have. I think they might like this. They might like this episode. Indeed. Hello. He's Theo. I'm Emily. Liz. Hogwarts Express. And yes. Now, shall we go to our next one? Now, I better get off the main line. Or I should say, the racing line. Yes, you heard me right. There are 5 engines in the race. There's Hugo, Mainland's fastest rail racer, and Philip. Philip, where are you in the race? Because that'll be fun at work. What place did you get? 5th. Within first. Take a look. Gordon? You got him first? Yes, he did. But how? Well, I was going to be in first, Edward. But I kept getting cut off. And now I won the race. Alright then. Let's go to the next one. Now this is a Scottish and Great Western show. William Duck Don Douglas. Let's head to the next one. Now this isn't much of a show, but more of a show-off kind of thing. Very important and special coaches and trucks. Annie Clarabelle, Express coaches, Scruffy, Breakdown Crane, and small Express coach. And Brave Vans. Forgot to add him as well. The shunting challenge. And now, my show. the old story show. Me, Steven, Shen, and Toby. Trains used to be pulled by horses. My old branch line closed, but the fat controller and my coach Henrietta were brought here. I have served in the war ever since World War II. Ever since World War I happened, I was built for World War II. Now, I'm not sure it'll be World War III with Donald Trump in charge. I mean, he's doing pretty good, but it's possible. I was one of the first engines ever to arrive on Sodor, along with Hero, of course. And now, I think it's time I say goodbye.